Something's been eating the tomatoes in our garden. We got these blink cameras and my wife wanted to test them out here in the garden so we could see what's been eating our tomatoes. And you're not going to believe what we found. The first thing we saw in here was this lizard, but I don't think lizards eat tomatoes. I heard that lizards are good for your garden because they eat all the bugs. So you can put the app on your phone and then you'll get a notification every time there's movement in the garden. Now this guy looks pretty big. Maybe he's been eating the tomatoes. No, it looks like he just stopped off for a quick workout. Gonna do a couple push-ups, get a few reps in. I don't think these things have the highest quality. They say they're 1920 by 1080, but they look kind of fuzzy. I think they have a newer version out that may be better quality, but these are good enough. I mean, we can see what's going on in our garden. Oh, there it is. This quail looks pretty suspicious. Oh, well, he pecked on it. I guess there's a durability test. The lens can hold up to a quail pecking on it. Oh, there he goes. He's eating the tomato. We caught him on film. Hey, get away from there. Alright, well, in my next video I'm going to go ahead and mount these up on the side of the house and we'll see how they look looking at our backyard gates and see how they actually work as security cameras. Now that we know they work for seeing what's in our garden, the only problem is my wife's having so much fun at looking what's in our garden, she's not going to want me to take them out of here.